The sound of the cash register is exciting. Every sale feels like a win, but don't be fooled, sales are not profit. That number on your screen is just revenue, not a sign your business is healthy. I once met a baker selling hundreds of cupcakes daily. Her shop was busy, but she had no idea if she was making money. She confused cash flow with profit, working for free without realizing it. This is a common trap. Being busy doesn't mean being profitable. Knowing your numbers is the only way to make smart decisions. The money in your bank isn't your profit. It's just what's left after a cycle of spending and earning. To build a sustainable business, you need a simple process. Let's look behind the curtain of sales and face the reality of profit. You don't need an accounting degree to get a handle on your numbers. Start with a standard markup. If you buy a product for $10 and sell it for $12, your gross profit is $2, or 20%. Use this average markup to estimate your profit from total sales. The goal isn't perfection. It's to get a clear, quick picture of your business's performance. Calculate the markup for your main products. If they're similar, use that percentage as your estimate. If not, separate high and low margin goods. For most small businesses, a single blended average works. Remember, this is your estimated gross profit. The money left after paying for the product, not your final take-home profit. It's the first piece of the puzzle. Now let's put your magic number to work. At day's end, total your sales. Multiply that by your estimated profit margin. If you sold $1,000 and your margin is 20%, your estimated gross profit is $200. Track this daily in a notebook or spreadsheet. Date, total sales, estimated gross profit. Over time, you'll see patterns, busy days, slow days, and gain valuable insight. At month's end, add up your daily profits. If you average $200 a day for 25 days, that's $5,000 gross profit for the month. This is the money you have to cover all other expenses. You've moved from guessing to knowing what you really have to work with. That $5,000 gross profit isn't yours yet. Now subtract your operating expenses. Rent, utilities, wages, marketing, supplies, and even your own salary. Track every expense, no matter how small, in a simple journal. At month's end, total your expenses. If your costs are $2,300, subtract that from your $5,000 gross profit. You're left with $2,700 net profit, a much clearer picture of what you actually earned. Don't forget annual costs like insurance, divide them by 12 and include them monthly. This honest accounting is the foundation of a successful business. This system is simple, but you must stick to it. If you sell products with different markups, track them separately for accuracy. Record credit sales and track what you're owed. Account for losses from damaged or stolen goods. Subtract these from your profit. Guesswork is dangerous. You need real numbers to make smart decisions. This daily habit is your compass. It tells you if you're making money or losing it. Commit to tracking sales and expenses every day. Start now. Grab a notebook or open a spreadsheet. Take control of your numbers and your business's future.